Okay, start the ball game. Okay, first possession, ball at the DSA. Kurt, correct for 2 points. First basket of the game. This comes jersey number 2, Aleki. Also number 25. Aleki, 14 shot clock, Aleki drive, and there's a whistle. Foul on number 6, pushing foul, personal foul, first team foul, DSA.
Lagay ko muna sa gita.
2 shots for
Ayusin yung video
LMP.
nyo ha.
First throw, break for 1. Two out of 2 for LMP. Gonzalez, to Gonzalez. 14 shot clock. Fabi fakes. 10 to shoot. Gonzalez, short. Rebound by Fabi. Pass to Kurt. 10 seconds to shoot. Short pa din. Another offensive rebound for number 6 Yao. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 26. Pass to Eddie Kid. To number 25, nice pass to number 19, correct for 2 points. 4-2. Yao. Kung sama ito pa, siya na pass to Gonzalez. Back to Yao, to Kurt, 14 shot clock. Side step, Bobby. Connect for 2 points. Then block all 4. Miscap Eleki. Eleki. And a steal almost out of bounds. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock. Number 1 on the down. Pass to Kevin 10. 14 to shoot. 9-81. Connect for 2 points for number 26, Kevin 10. Miscap Gonzalez. Shooting the ball. Pass to Gonzalez. Connect for 2 points. Gonzalez to Gonzalez. That lock again, all 6. Miscap number 16. Two points, number 25. 8-6. Gonzalez to Kurt. To Gonzalez to Yao. Back to Kurt. Kurt and a steal by number 19. Was straight to the basket. Too strong. Rebound by Kurt. Here's come Kurt. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez left open from the 3. Too strong. Rebound. Ball goes out. Same ball. Shot clock 14 seconds.
2010.
Yeah, one thing na. To Gonzalez. Using the glass, connect for 2 points. Deadlock again, 0-8.
Yan natin. Hi to DJ.
Palau. Pass to Eleki. To Kevin 10. Kevin 10. Using the glass, connect for 2 points. Score is 10-8. 2-point lead. Majas. Batang Majas. Here's Kurt. Pass to Gonzalez. Number 77. Back to Kurt. Kurt, 14 to shoot. Kurt, pull up jumper, short. Big rebound at number 25. This guy number 25. Mosina, straight to the basket. May kasama bang foul? Number 12. Okay, Morales will check in for Pamit. On the shot for Bonsina.
What's the score? Make it like
And
this.
completing the 3-point lead. 5 minutes remaining, starting first quarter. Gonzalez, to Gonzalez, number 19, pull-up jumpers, air ball. And Halat getting the ball, pass to Elekin. Elekin, pass to Pimentel. Back to Elekin. Elekin, give it big by Pimentel. Elekin for the three, down! Elekin for three. Score is 16-8, 8-4 lead for Parang Majas. 4 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Gonzalez. And knocked out by shot clock 14. Is Curd. 10 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez is strong. Defensive rebound by Gonzalez. 3 short. Rebound by Yao and a pass to Elekin. Elekin. Nice pass to Busina. Thanks. And a foul. Up. Okay, time out. Requested by JSA. Wala. 18-8 ang ating official score. Out of bounds, save ball. Yao, number 6 on the inbound. Pass to Gonzalez. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Amorado. 10 seconds to shoot. Morales, pull-up jumper, pull-up 14. Score is 18-10, 8-point lead by Parang Majas. This comes Busina. Handed the ball to Elekin. Elekin. Doing the ball. Nice pass to Pimentel. Pimentel pass out from the corner to Pala. Too strong and rebound by Oscar Gonzalez. And there's the whistle. Foul on jersey number 1. Pala. First personal foul and first team foul. Back. Parang Majas. Gonzalez. 14 shot clock and steal by Elekin. This time Elekin dribbling the ball. Nice outlet pass to Busina. Takes. Couldn't get 2 points. Score is 20-10. 10-point lead Parang Majas. Amorado. Pass to Gonzalez. To Rojas. Morales. On the corner. Malakas. Big rebound by number 25. Pass to Elekin. This comes Elekin slowly bringing down the ball. To Busina. 3-14. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 6. Fabric. Number 6, that was your second personal foul. Second team foul, this team foul, rather. Nice pass by Pala, that there's a whistle. Wow. Foul on number 3. Amorado.
Hands up lang siya.
2 shots for Palak. This is entering penalty.
Sensitive.
Correct for
Ref,
1.
sensitive ka masyado, Ref.
1 out of 2. Good
Good
shot.
one!
Basket down. Foul on number 20.
Ref, nako.
Okay, bonus shot for Gonzalez. Missed the bonus shot, rebound by Busina. Pass to Elekin. Elekin bringing down the ball. Pass by number 24. Elekin straight to the basket. Correct for 2 points with 12-23. Our score 1 minute and 13 seconds. Amen. In and out. Best rebound.
Good one!
For the first back. Oscar Lekin. 1 minute remaining.
Nakuha ko
Pasok
yun.
Palad. Palad. Penetrate. Miss the shot. Getting his own miss. Follow by Messina. Shot. Rebound by Morado. 35 seconds. Paso Morales. Oscar Morales. Paso Ahmed. Ahmed. Over for 3. Short. Passive rebound by Gonzalez. Block from behind. "35 seconds, shot clock 14. Ahmed on the rebound. Steal by Elekin. Elekin. Straight to the basket. Miss the shot. Foul by Morales. Going to Gonzalez. To Morales. 25 seconds. Morales inside. Miss the shot. Passive rebound. Messina. 20 seconds. Here's got Elekin. Drive. 3 for 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. Last shot for DSA. Gonzalez.
Good
for 2.
one!
Okay, basa na yan. Okay. Official score 25-16. 9-point lead by Majas. Palad on rebound. Pass to Elekin. 2 points on Elekin. Iscam Lance, paso a Morado, back to Lance, so Ahmed. 14 shot clock, a Morado.
Good one!
1927 down to 8-4 lead for Batang Mata. Iscam Bala, dribble the ball. Babawi, short, rebound by Pimentel, pass out to Elekin. Over for 3, is the shot rebound by Morales. Isca Morales, dribble the ball. Morales, pass out Amarado, another 3.
Wow!
2 out of 2 for Amorado, back to back. 22-27, down to 5-4 lead. Elekin, losing the ball, but still managed to get the basket. 22-29. Iscam Liam, pass out to Ahmed. Ahmed to Morales, pull up jumper.
Good one!
24-29.
Good!
And not about turnover for Batang Majas. Okay, time out requested by Batang Majas. Out of bounds, time outs. Galing tayo out of bounds, turnover. And still by Pimentel and a pass to Elekin. Pass to Palad. Palad dribbling the ball and out of by Ahmed. Pass to Elekin. Elekin from 3 to strong. And just in rebound by number 8. Foul sa likod. Ulo kinamahan. Foul number 3. Second personal foul and first team foul is. Okay, 2 shots for jersey number 8. Halan. First throw, no basket. Second throw, too strong and rebound and still Rebound by number 8. Pass to Ella Queen. Two misses the shot. Morales to Gonzalez. To Amorado from the corner. Back-to-back three for Amorado. And almost a steal. And tumama ka sa paan itong White. This cap Ahmed on the inbound. Pass to Lance. Back to Amorado. 10 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez missing that. And a good back out by Pimentel. Pass to Elequin. Elequin. Pass to Palad. Palad. Nakalusot. Block by Amorado. This cap Diaz. He didn't get the pass. Resulting to a turnover for DSA. Messina on the down. That's to Elequin. Gonzalez. This is the shot. Amorado for the protect. This is the shot. Here's Kyle Messina bringing down the ball himself. And then to Pimentel for 2 points. 27-31. Purple League steal for Batang Magas. And a steal by Elequin. Elequin. And meron tayong foul doon. Foul on number 8. Medyo humawak mo ng konti si number 8, Morales. First personal foul and second team foul DSA. Body shot for Elequin. Official score is 27-33, 6-point lead, Batang Majas. And completing the 3-point play, back to 7-point lead for Batang Majas. Number 9 on the inbound and received by Leah. It's come Leah. Pass the Lance. Leah. 14 shot clock. Crossover pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Amorado. 5 to shoot. And a steal by Messina. And there's a foul tapping the ball. And foul on number 3. Amorado. That was the third personal foul. 13 foul DSA. Tabrak. Yep. Okay. There's the Elequin on the inbound. Received by Palad. Palad dribbling the ball. Pass to Messina. 14 to shoot. Messina almost. And rebound by number 19. Here's Carlos Aguilar. Big. Pass to Gonzalez. Wala. Rebound goes to Palad. And still manage the ball. Wow. 14 shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Elequin. Short rebound by Aguilar. Pass to Kerr. To Gonzalez. Almost in trouble, but there's a whistle, line of bells. Cover. Number 6 on the inbound to Gonzalez. Using the ball too strong, rebound by Messina. Messina. Dribbling the ball. And a good
Go, Jays!
defense provided by DSA. Here's the there's a whistle of blocking foul for them. Number 1, Palad. Okay, wala.
Let's go, Jays!
Palad that was your second personal foul. First team foul, Batang Majas. First throw for Yao, missing the first throw. Second throw for Yao. 1 out of 2. 28-34 down to 6-point lead for Batangas. Here's the Messina. Pass to Rojas. Rojas to Kevin Bell. Another mix. Pass. And getting a foul. Medyo tumabayo kamay ni Aguilar doon. Foul on number 9. First personal foul and the penalty DSA. Okay, second throw. And 1 out of 2 for Pimentel. Just come Kurt. Pass to Yao. Aguilar against Rosina. Kurt, holding the shoot. Kurt, running shot. Is the shot saved by Aguilar? Already lane violation. There's Kampala on the inbound. And nice speed.
Good one, Jace! Woo!
But there's a contact underneath. Foul on number 1, Pala. That was your third personal foul, second team foul for Batangas. Okay, 2 shots for Yao. Okay, first throw. This is the first throw for Yao. Second throw, nothing. 1 out of 2, 29-35. And still, bagong kita. And tumapak na sa line. Okay. Okay, Pala, coming down to Pala. Gosina, on the step backward, putting the 2 points for Gosina, 29-37. Kurt, pass to Yao. Yao, short. Rebound by Gonzalez to Aguilar. 8 seconds to shoot. 5. Yeah, wala pa rin. Rebound by Pimentel. Here's Kampala. And ano pa na yun? Traveling yun. Hindi na kitang-kita. 53 seconds remaining. $50. Third to Pamit. Pamit to Yao. 40 to shoot. Third. Run shot. Pabanda. Wala. Rebound by Messina. 35 seconds. Palad to Rojas. To Palad. 30 seconds. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Pimentel. Still managed the basket. Last shot for BSA. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Okay, the second quarter, official score 29-39. 10-point lead, Batangas.
Mid return.
Wala sa butsiwang eh, puyat siguro to. Kayang binibiling sapatos ni mami mo sa'yo.
Gonzalez, pass to Ahmed. Tumira agad ng Renzo. Wala. Rebound by Pimentel. to Elakin. Elakin bringing down the ball. Pass to Palad. Palad. And the shot. Rebound by Gonzalez. Morales. Pass to Ahmed. To Gonzalez. Back to Gonzalez to Alvarado. 40 to shoot. Gonzalez to Morales. Pull up jumper.
Good one!
31-39. 8-point lead. Still for Pangkal Maja. Elakin. And
Good!
probably medyo nag-alanganin doon. Just come Ahmed all the way down. Pass to Gonzalez. To Morales. To Ahmed. Amorado from the corner. Mr. Set. Rebounded again. And white ball. Just come Elakin all the way down. Palad. Palad. Dribbling the ball, pass to Rojas. To Elakin. Pass out to Palad, 40 to shoot. Palad losing the ball. Here's Kyle Morales. Morales, biglang tumira.
Good one!
Pinag-score 2 for Morales. 33-39. Maganda yung perimeter. Ditong si Morales para sa DSA. Palad. And tap out. Pimentel save the ball. And ball goes to Gonzalez. Gonzalez got it by Elakin. Gonzalez drive.
Good one!
35-39. Baba na lang sa apat. And Busina to Pimentel. And meron tayong foul sa ilalim. Foul number 8. Morales. That was just second. Personal foul, second team foul, first team foul, DSA. Shot clock. Yeah,
Good one!
That's it. Okay, shot clock 14. Ahmed, pass to Gonzalez.
Kaya ako sa NBDG sa next year.
Gonzalez!
Silence po pwede na.
Zero run for PSA.
Morales,
Sa ating second quarter. Rohan.
Ano?
Pass to Pimentel. Agaw na bola. Ahmed, singing down the ball. Pass to Amorado. Nice pass to Ahmed. 11-0 run para dito sa DSA.
Ay, may 2009, di ba?
Elakin to Rojas. Rojas bola sniper and getting the foul.
May 2009.
So, 6
Number
2000 na.
double 7, number 24. Ahmed. That was your first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots. Rojas.
Yung DSA namin, solid yun ha, no?
Kailangan lang talaga tingnan.
Yung big man.
First throw, basket.
Kuha tayo sa
Deadlock.
Wala kami big man talaga.
11-1
kuha tayo ng
run.
ako na kuha.
Kahit na isa lang. Isa, dalawa.
Second throw, 2 out of 2 for Rojas.
Kailangan talaga mahanda na yan, ready na. Kahit man lang 2 times sa kanan, kaman saan sa practice. Next year. Tapos pinisit siya.
Gonzalez! Yeah! Meron tayong foul for 3 points. By number 19, Rojas. 3 shots para kay Gonzalez.
Sumol po dito.
Pag magpa-inter-GCC ka kasi dito, ay yung ano, hindi.
First throw, connect.
Lang.
2 more shots.
Ang lahat yan. Meron pa nga Italia ngayon na nag-invite sa akin.
Dito, doon?
Another one. 2 out of 2 so
Gastos na
far
naman.
for Gonzalez. Last throw, ball and play, jumper ready.
Yung Kuwait nga, naghahanda na eh.
Missed the last shot for Gonzalez. Just come Eleki. Pass to Palang. To Pimentel. Pimentel, Mike. And there's a contact. Foul on number 777 Gonzalez. First personal foul, 30 foul. DSA. 2 shots for Pimentel. First throw, Sablay.
Uwi na rin.
Hindi. Hindi oh. Hindi namin
Second
pauwi
row.
sa Pilipinas oh. No. Walang uuwi dyan. No.
No basket. Gonzalez to Ahmed.
Ay!
And a steal. And Kagato. Gonzalez to Amorado. To Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Pabada. Rebound by Messina. Messina. Pass the ball to Elekin. Elekin. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play for Parang Majas. 14 shot clock. Elekin is the shot. Offensive rebound by Pimentel. Pimentel. Getting a foul. May kasama pang basket. Basket. Foul on number 9.
9 who?
19. First personal foul on Gonzalez. Entering penalty, DSA bonus shot for Pimentel. Wala. Morales to Gonzalez. Amorado. Nice pass!
Ay! Yak ka!
Morales, sayang. Medyo binalo pa yung tira. Elefin. To Rojas. Rojas still drops. Malakas follow up by Rosira. Connect for 2 points. 42-45. 3-point lead by Batang Majas. Gonzalez. And a turnover. There's Cabin again to Messina. Messina drive. Push ball. Ball goes out. Green ball. Morado, they back. And a pass to Gonzalez. Pass to Yang. 14 shot clock. Yang pass to Amorado. From the corner, 20 points. 44-45. 1 point lead, Batang Majas. Eleki, dribbling the ball. Pass to Messina. Messina pass to Rojas. Left open from the 3. Short. Gets the rebound by Messina. Short again.
Good
And
one.
out of bounds. Gonzalez on the inbound. Pass to Yao. Back to Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Amorado. Wala. Rebound by Rojas. Here's got Rojas. To Eleki. Good for Amorado to Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Yao. Pull-up jumper from the corner. Wala. And meron tayong foul. Number 8. Meron tayong holding foul sa likod. Penalty na rin. Penalty. Morales got the third personal foul. Tab. Okay, 2 shots for Benzina. First throw, 44-1, 44-48. In and out. Here's Gonzalez to Amorado. to Gonzalez. 14 shot lang. Nice pass to Aguilar. Rebound by Yao. Malakas ulit. Rebound by Alekin. To Wosina, double team. Wosina. Drive, getting a foul. On jersey numbers 7. That was your second personal foul. 2 shots. Basket, first throw, 44-49, 5-point lead, Batang Majas. 54.6 seconds remaining, third quarter. 2 out of 2 for Wosina, 44-50. 50 seconds. Gonzalez to Amorado. Wala. Rebound kami tayo para sa Wosina. Wosina! Wala. And a foul. Number 8, Palad. Second personal foul on Palad. Number 8. Ay, isa pala, rather, first.
Good one!
2 points. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to go. Pasya na lang yan. Elekid, wala. Okay. Third quarter, official score 46-50. 4-point lead, Batang Majas. Partner na tayo. Sige. Palad, pass to Rojas, back to Palad, to Elekid, to Pimentel. 10 to shoot, 14 runner. Palad, for 3! 46-53. Up to 7 for Batang Majas. Amorado. Sama ulit. Good, natulog niya sila. Elekid. To Wosina. To Pimentel. Pimentel. Wala. Getting his own shot. Wala. Pero may foul sa likod. Number 9. Good.
Ref, that was clear ball.
Number 9. Aguilar.
What?
Second personal foul on Aguilar. Two shots for Pimentel. First throw, basket. 48-54, 6-point lead. And 2 out of 2 for Pimentel. 48-55. Gonzalez, wala. Kasi rebound lang. Amorado, wala. Rebound again, Gonzalez.
Good one! Good balance!
Gonzalez. Okay, meron tayo. Okay, foul on number 2, Elekid. Okay, 2 shots for Gonzalez. First throw, break for 1. 2-2 to Gonzalez. Gonzalez using the left hand for the 4-2 point.
James, you fatty.
Gonzalez, pass to Gonzalez. Nice pass.
Good one!
What a good communication between Gonzalez and Aguilar.
Good one!
And out of bounds, same ball. Electrino on the inbound, MC by Palat. To Rojas. Rojas double team. Has to Palat 14 shot clock. And again left open from the 3 short. Rebound by Amorado. Pescaba Morado. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez drive. Rebound by Palat. Sayang yun, lumabas pa yung bola. Elegin. Slowly bringing down the ball. Pass to Rojas. Rojas to Pimentel. Pimentel takes fires. Shot. That is all these. Palat. For Pimentel. Malakas sa ilaro. Ito na ang medyo malapat. Gonzalez to Aguilar. Aguilar fires.
Good one! Good!
Elegin to Palat. Pass to Rojas. Rojas drive. Put a golden point. Palat. DSO. Next game.
Alam mo naman.
Here's Cab Rojas. 6 minutes to go. Palat. To Rojas. To Elegin. 14 shot clock. Palat. Open for 3. Palat. 4-3. 56-64. 5.5 to go. Gonzalez pass to Yao. Yao cross-court pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez pass. Short rebound by Palat. Elegin! Too strong rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez pass to Yao. Yao to Morales. Morales pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound. Pimentel. Elegin. Pass to Rojas. Palat. 14 shot clock. Pass to Pimentel. Pimentel. 10 to shoot. Rojas. Wala. And offensive rebound by Busina. Wala. Busina still short for his shot. And there's a whistle. Foul number 25. Okay, right now, requested by Batang Bajas. Gonzalez to Morales. Yao underneath, reverse.
Good one, James!
Tira Texas. Umagat yung bola. Elegin. To Palat. Palat. There was still from behind backward. Pero violation na. Palat on the rebound. To Elegin. 14 shot clock. Palat. Take the shoot. Nice pass by Palat to Pimentel. Drop pass naman nun. 3 minutes 30 seconds. Ganda pagkakalaglag nun. Kurt. Pass to Yao. Shot. Rebound by Busina. Here's from Eleki to Palad to Yao, 14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Eleki, wala rebound by Morales. 3 minutes remaining. Morales, dire-diretso na yan.
Good one! Good one, Joaquin!
Basket count, foul number 26. Sabret. Dalawa po. Dalawa. Okay, bonus shot lang yan ha, para kay Morales. Wala pa coach, third pa lang, third. Bonus shot.
Good!
Connect for one. 61-66. Dimension, let us give by Kurt. This time Kurt bringing down the ball. Chances to lead. And a foul by number 25, Mosina. That was his third personal foul, entering penalty. Padang Maja. Okay, first row, wala. Second row, another two for Kurt. 62-66. Wala pang sigurado dito. Rojas to Elekin. Pass to Palad. Pimentel, nilabas dito kay Rojas. Rojas tilaglag kay Bosina. Nalibre! Foul, number 8. GSA score is 62-68. And missed the shot for Bosina. Here's Cam Gonzalez. To Gonzalez. Pull up jumper. Too strong na Gabriel Rojas. Palad to Elekin. Back to Palad. Palad. Zigzagging. Block by Gonzalez. Pami on the rebound. Pass to Amorado. Amorado bringing down the ball. Pass to Kurt. Kurt, last 2 minutes. Gonzalez, wala. Rebound Rojas. And
Good one! See, kanina pa yan. Kanina pa yung sinasabi dito.
okay, meron tayong konting swinging kapag elbow doon. Okay. Technical foul pero bola pa rin ng Rajas. Number 19 Rojas for swinging of elbow. Okay, one shot para sa DSA. Bola pa rin ng ball possession pa rin ng Batang Rajas. Okay.
Good one,
Okay, ball possession para sa Batang Rajas. Okay, meron pa kayong... Ay, hindi. Dalawa sa Rajas, isa sa DSA. Okay. Elegant on the inbound. For Rojas.
Good one!
Gonzalez. Ito, Crucial. Gonzalez.
Good!
65-68, down to 3 for Batang Rajas. 1 minute 40 seconds. Pimentel pass to Elegit to Rojas. Rojas pass out to Palad. 40 to shoot. Elegit drive.
Good one!
10 seconds to shoot. This is Pimentel. This is shot to Amorado. Amorado. To Gonzalez, to Pamit. Gonzalez air ball. Yun lang. Sayang.
Bawi!
1 minute and 10 seconds. Okay. Elekin on the out to Lucina. To Elekin. To Palag! Ayun sa ilalim pero may foul. 19. Okay, second team foul mo lang yan. 2 shots para kay Pimentel. Third personal. Okay. Pimentel, in and out. Okay, second throw for Pimentel. One minute and 2 seconds. Yes! Another one. Medyo early too soon. Okay, sige. Oh, last shot yan, last throw. Okay. 1 minute. 55 seconds. Gonzalez, wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Pimentel. Napunta kang kalab kay Elekin. Elekin to Lucina. Turnover. Para sa Batang Majas. Okay, DSA 1 timeout. Majas 2 timeout. Gonzalez. Pasok Pabit. Abong Alado. Wala. And a foul just given by number 8. Entering penalty pala. Both teams. Foul down on number 8. Number 8. Foul down. Oh, wala mo ng kamay, wala mo ng hawak. Okay. Pimentel on the inbound. To Lucina. And a foul. Number 3, Amorado penalty. Fourth personal foul on Amorado. Timeout. Batang Majas. Okay, second throw for Lucina. Two out of 2. 29 seconds remaining. Pwede pa yan. Third. And a turnover. Sayang. Medyo nawalan ng ano dito. Chances. USA, ito, Elekin. Uy! Turnover din. Okay. Sige, pasok lang, pasok. Shot lang, 14. Pwede pa yan. Eh, dapat. 11 seconds to shoot, 11. To shoot. Amorado, wala. Foul by Rojas. And a foul by Yao. Penalty. Third personal foul on Yao. Two shots for Rojas. Okay, next game natin, battle for third, Brian versus Roses. First throw, wala. seconds. Amorado, wala. And that's it. Congratulations, Father Magas. Okay, our number 2 rather. On Alexi. Okay, best player, Alexi. Okay, next game, warm up.